Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to start our the first chapter, that is the nutrition in plants. So students, before going to discuss about that chapter, first of all we will discuss about that what is that learning objectives and what are the things about the contents we will discuss in this video. So let us see first of all what is that learning objectives, that which what are the things we will study in this chapter. So first of all we will discuss about that. First of all students, modes of nutrition, mode of nutrition, nutrition in plants, roles of leaves in the photosynthesis, heterotrophic nutrition in plants, parasitic, that is saprophytic, insectivorous and symbiotic plants. These are the learning objectives. That means these are the things we are going to learn specially in this chapter. What are the things? First of all we will discuss about that what is that modes of nutrition or the nutrition, and second nutrition in plants how that nutritions are taking place, and next we will discuss about the roles of leaves in that photosynthesis, and what is that heterotrophic in the plants, and what are the types of heterotrophic. Okay, so we will discuss in this chapter. Sorry. So next students, now we are going to discuss about first of all what is the introduction part. Now students, you know that the basic function which allow living organisms to live on the earth are known as life process. So first of all, one question is here, what is that life process? Now students, whenever we are living, at that time how we are living? Okay, to live this, what are the main things are required? We need to live on the earth. So what are the basic needs? What are the basic things? Now we need that air, we need that water, we need the food. Yes, the three basic things are needed to live or to exist life on the earth. But so mainly, what is that life process? Now when our life process means what is that? How will grow, how will move, how will reproduce, this total life, that is called as the life process. Okay, so what is that life process? Now the functions, the basic functions which allow living organisms to live on the earth. What are the basic functions? What are the basic functions? Those who are, it is helping, it is needs, or it is which are allowing to living organisms to do or to live on the earth. What are the basic functions? Now generally nutrition, respiration, excretion, growth, reproduction, movement and response to stimuli. Nutrition, okay, this is very important for the living organisms to live on the earth. Okay. Next, what is that? Respiration. Respiration is breathing. Without breathing we cannot exist, we cannot live. Okay. Third one is what is that? Growth. Excretion. Excretion means whatever that in our body, whatever we will eat or whatever we will drink the water, what are the waste materials, whatever that it will come out, that is called as excretion. And a growth, one small, we are small before we are child, then youth, then after old, then we will die. So this is one life cycle, so that is called as growth. Reproduction. Now first of all that parents, then parents that babies, then babies again will become that adult, then it will become, that means reproduction, so it will come new babies whenever it will form, that is called as a generation. That means increasing the growth of the populations or increasing the species. Okay, so and a movement, we are moving one place to also another, and a response to stimuli, whatever that we are saying, that we are responding, we are giving that instruction to our brain, we are thinking. So these are the called as a response to the stimuli. Okay, so these all that basic functions helps or to needs or it is allowing to live on the living organisms to live on the earth. What are that? First of all the nutritions, second one is the excretion, third one is growth, respirations. Okay, next excretions, reproductions, movement. These are the basic functions. Okay students, so one by one we will discuss what are that life cycle, what are the main components. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the what is that in nutrition. The process of taking food and utilizing in the body, the whatever nutrition means what. First of all, this word you have to remember carefully. What is the nutrition? Nutrition means, स्टूडेंट्स जनरली हम हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, जो हमें खाना खा रहे हैं, ओके, जो खाना हमें खाते वो क्या हो रहे, हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं उसको, हमें नहीं तो क्यों खाना खा रहे हैं, टेस्टी के लिए हम नहीं खाना खा रहे हो। All foods are we are not using taking for that tasty. We should get that healthy. We should get that energy. We should get that nutrients. So that's why we are eating that food. Yes. So जो खाना हम खा रहे हैं और वो खाना को हम जो यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं वो जो थिंग्स है उसको बोलते हैं हमें न्यूट्रिशन। ठीक है, हमें जो टेकिंग फूड द प्रोसेस whatever that we are taking the food and that food will digest and will utilize the energy, that is called as a nutrition. Okay. The process of taking in food and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Nothing but only we are taking and that food will digest or that utilize our by body. That total whole process is called as a nutrition. So here whatever the food we are eating, from that we are getting energy, and that energy what is that generally how like it is coming, that by the nutrients. In the 6th standard you have studied what are the nutrients. Already 7 members I made to you stand, and 7 nutrients we are getting from the food. Whatever the chemical substances, whatever the it is, these all nutrients are present in the food only. We are getting from the food. All the nutrients we are getting from the food. Generally what are the things we are getting? We are getting first of all one nutrients that is called as carbohydrates. Second one is fats. Third one is proteins. Fourth one is vitamins. Fifth one is minerals. These 5 nutrients generally, मुख्य ये जो 5 है वो 5 हम खाना से वो फूड से हमको मिल रहे, और भी दोनों में भी हमको न्यूट्रिएंट्स में हमें मिल रहे वाटर और ने फाइबर्स। ठीक है, और जो भी हमें 7th क्लास 6th स्टैंडर्ड में हमें ऑलरेडी पढ़ा, ठीक है नहीं, 6th स्टैंडर्ड में हमें पढ़ा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स क्या है, कौन सा फूड से मिल रहे हैं, व्हाट इज दैट फैट्स, कौन सा फूड पे मिल रहे हैं, वो क्या हेल्प कर रहे हैं हमारा बॉडी को, प्रोटीन क्या है, प्रोटीन कौन सा फूड पे मिल रहे हैं, मिनरल क्या है, विटामिन क्या है, फाइबर क्या है, वाटर क्या है, हम सब 6th स्टैंडर्ड में ऑलरेडी पढ़ दिया। लेकिन वो क्या है, वो ऑल आर द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, दीज आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द फूड, दीज आर ऑल केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस व्हिच वन वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द फूड एंड वी आर यूटिलाइजिंग बाय द बॉडी and we are getting the energy or that helping the body. So we see what are the nutrients. These are the chemical substances present in our food. These all the nutrients are the chemical substances which are present in the food. Chemical substances in our food which provide energy. What are it is providing? Mainly it is providing energy and material needed by the body. And not only that energy, whatever the things we need, whatever the other things it is need, also it is helping. It is giving body to live and grow, to live and grow purposes. What are the things, what are the material required, it gives us. So these are generally carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins, minerals, water and fibers. Okay students, so these are the generally these 5 we are getting from the general food items we are getting, and also extra we are getting that water and fibers. ठीक है, so students these are all about that basic things or basic nutrients, and we are already have studied that in our previous classes. You have to remember once again from that which nutrients, which foods we are getting, you should collect and you should make it a chart. Okay, next we will discuss about that what are that modes of nutrition in the next video. Thank you all of you, have a nice day.